Welcome to April 1st LeetCode Challenge. Reverse string. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of character S. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with big O of constant extra memory. So for instance, if you have a character array S, given the string here, it spells hello, and you want to give a return an array in place that is the reverse of that string, so spells OLLEH. Like similarly, we have a second example here that spells Hannah. Notice that's case sensitive, and then it's palindrome. But if we return the array in reverse order, the constraints are that we have the length of the string of array of characters is between 1 to 10 to the 5, and the index of each character is a printable ASCII character. Alright, so this is a doable one. So what I'm thinking so far is, say that you have, for instance, 2 pointers. You point one at the beginning and then one at the end, and then you just kind of swap the two, right? And that's kind of the idea behind it. So say we have initial left pointer and a right pointer, and say we can initialize it. I'll just kind of write down. Say we have a left pointer and a right pointer, and then we initialize left to be 0, and then we initialize right to be the length of the string, obviously -1. So we assign those two as left and right pointers. So while left is less than the right pointer value, what we want to do is swap the left and right. So we have the string at the left index, and we have the string at the right index. And what do you want to do? We want to swap it for the string. So we want the string at the left index to be the string of the right index, because we're swapping it. And we want the string of the right index to be the string of the left index. So that's pretty easy, because Python has built it pretty much has a swap type function where you can do everything in one line. And then next thing we want to do is increment the pointers, right? So the left one we want to increment by 1, and then the right pointer we want to decrement by 1. And that's pretty much the idea behind that. Yeah, for now. Another way we could do is just actually do half of it, but let's just run this code to see if it works. Alright, that works. Submit it. Alright, that works. So that works pretty well actually. The runtime's pretty quick. It's big O of n because we have a while loop here, and then big O of constant space memory usage. Can we do a little better? I think so. Maybe we'll see. So let's kind of use this idea here. However, let's not use a pointers left and right. Let's just say we want n to be the length of s. And we're going to, instead of doing a while loop, let's do a for loop. So for, say, character C in the range of n divided by 2. So the swapping algorithm, how it works is that if we get halfway past the, halfway past the array, then we don't need to swap anymore, right? If we get that, so we want to only do a range for half of the way, and once that's true, well, that's true, I should say, then we want to swap, let's say, the string at the character C index, and we want to swap the n as well, so the index this time be n minus C minus 1 will be assigned to, obviously, n minus C minus 1 and s at C. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this is faster or not. A little slower. Alright then. That's pretty much all I got. Same big O of n time complexity and constant space memory usage. All right, have a great day, guys.